Changes may be headed for Louisiana as Senate Bill 14 is currently waiting for Governor Jeff Landry's signature of approval. KSLA's Peyton Manuel looked into how this could affect your local food pantries.
From fast food lines to school cafeterias, all the way to your nearby food pantry. Each of these places are bound to be affected if Senate Bill 14 goes into play this August. SB 14 recently passed both chambers of the Louisiana legislature in a unanimous vote. It states that it will push for major reform in multiple areas.
As a school system and as a government, as a people, we should care about each other's health, especially our children's. And by banning the artificial colors and sweeteners, at least add some meals in a day that they have that do not have these harmful chemicals in them.
Ultra-processed foods, also known as anything that contains artificial additives like coloring, will be banned in public and non-public schools. Also a part of the bill, labels, meaning manufacturers will be required to mark ultra-processed foods so that people know what they're eating.
If we can make a change and we can make it through the school, that's very important because, once again, a lot of the children, they get their breakfast at the school and they get their lunch at the school. I'm a bus driver, and I know some of the kids, they even get meals on Friday afternoon. They pack up a bag or whatever so that these children will have something to eat over the weekend.
A few other reforms are also included in the bill, which leaves locals in a mixed state. One comment from a KSLA News 12 viewer says, "The food is a problem. Look at the excessive amount of sugar." Another read, "Same amount of money will be taken out of my check. No one's business what I feed my kid."
And I think we should have compassion and realize that sometimes it's actually very hard for people to go to a completely healthy diet because of what it takes to prepare the foods for that.
As for food pantries, this one says they try to feed people healthy foods, but aren't always able to do it. They say this bill could help them with that. In Shreveport, Peyton Manuel, KSLA News 12.